Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Dropbox API for user authentication in iOS, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect the Dropbox API for user authentication in iOS, start by creating a Dropbox developer account. Once logged in, navigate to the App Console. Click on Create App, select the appropriate API type and choose the access level you need. Give your app a unique name and click Create App in the app settings. Note your app key and app secret. Enable the OAuth 2 option for user authentication. Set the redirect URIs for your app. Make sure to include your custom URL scheme. Open your Xcode project and add the Dropbox SDK. You can do this using CocoaPods or manually including the SDK files. Import the Dropbox SDK in your app delegate file. Implement the authentication logic in your login view controller. Create a button to initiate the Dropbox login process. In the button action, call the Dropbox authentication method. Handle the authentication response in the URL scheme method. Use the app key to create an authorization URL. Present the web view or browser for user login. After user authentication, Dropbox will redirect to your specified URI. Capture the authentication token from the redirect. Store the token securely in your app. Use the token to make authorized API requests. Test the integration by making a simple API call to fetch user information. Ensure that proper error handling is in place for authentication failures. Finally, review the Dropbox API documentation for additional features and best practices. Your Dropbox API user authentication flow is now ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.